Hey everyone, welcome to the third part of this logo design course, which is mind mapping. Mind mapping is a research and ideation phase of the logo design process. The purpose of mind mapping is to gather as many keywords as possible and to see the relationships between these keywords. It allows the designer to explore different directions for the logo design and also to identify the key elements that should be included in the logo design. And this was the short introduction of mind mapping process. And now it's time to continue with a practical example of our brand Amana 5. And these are the keywords that we extracted from the design brief. Now simply take a piece of paper and start writing the extracted keywords like insurance, stronghold, compassion, guide, bond, and especially the initial letter A. And now the question is that how to further explore these keywords. Number 1. Simply write down all the words that comes to your mind related to these words. Let's say for insurance, the keywords that comes to my mind are safety, cover, guarantee, peace of mind, etc. Number 2. Let's say that no keyword is coming to our mind. In this case, we will get help from the platforms like Thesaurus, Reverse Dictionary, and especially ChatGPT. First of all, let's try thesaurus.com. Simply write insurance and it will give us different keyword ideas like guarantee, cover, safeguard, etc. Now let's write stronghold and we have keyword ideas like fortress and castle. And now let's try reverse dictionary. Again, simply write insurance and we will get multiple ideas. I used to get ideas from these websites in the past. Nowadays, I prefer using ChatGPT as it provides more accurate and to the point keyword ideas. So let's switch to ChatGPT. Simply write keywords for insurance logo design. And you can see it gave us multiple ideas in a few seconds. We will continue with keywords like security and safety. And when it comes to security, the most common keywords that comes to my mind are shield, castle, and you can say a set of key and lock. And when it comes to safety, the first word that comes to my mind is safety helmet. Then the other words can be cover and home. We can further visualize cover with an umbrella or a roof design. And about home, the only keyword that is coming to my mind right now is family. And now we will simply write the same keywords on the piece of paper. Again, we will switch to ChatGPT and simply write logo design ideas that represent stronghold. And we have keywords like castle, shield, mountain, and other than that, one keyword that comes to my mind is an anchor, as it also acts as a stronghold for a ship. We can further represent a mountain as a symbol of stability and balance. Furthermore, we can represent both of these elements by using a triangular shape. Again, we will write these keywords on the paper. Again, we will switch to ChatGPT and simply write logo design ideas that represent compassion. We can use keywords like smile, sport, and care. We can further symbolize care with a heart and sport with a helping hand or a handshake. And now we will simply write the same keywords on the piece of paper. Again, we will switch to ChatGPT and simply write logo design ideas that represent guidance. And we will use keywords like compass, lighthouse, arrow, and a star. We can furthermore categorize the lighthouse as some sort of beacon. Again, we will write these keywords on the paper. Next in the line is bond. So simply write logo design ideas that represent bonding. And we have keywords like interlocking, holding hands, or you can say handshake, and not. And now we will simply write the same keywords on the piece of paper. And these are the keywords that we have explored and collected so far. In the next video, we will continue with the sketching process by using these keywords. I hope that you might learn something from this video. Until next time, take care and have a nice day.